In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to master Green Hero in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the main ways in which you will be able to earn experience so you can get the mastery for the Green Hero. So to get Mastered Green Hero, you will need to get mastery points or mastery percentage. You can check how much mastery you have by clicking on this little star icon. Now, there are some main ways of getting mastery. First, you can gain it by killing opponents with Green Hero. So this is going to be the most straightforward way, and you will probably do this a bunch. So all that you have to do is join a public server, and this is very important. Make sure that you do not do this on a private server like me. But if you are on a public server and you kill people, with each kill, you will be able to get more and more experience towards your mastery. Next, you have to complete mastery quests. So, if you go over here on the map, you will be able to get mastery quests. As you can see, for example, I have a quest where if I awaken 3 times, I'll be able to earn 5% mastery. And you can get quests by talking to these NPCs over here. As you can see, this one offers us one of 3 daily quests, and you can choose whichever one you prefer. All of these will usually give 5% mastery. As you can see, this one actually gives 4, so it's better to get one of these 2 because they give 5. Once you choose a daily quest, it is going to be active on the same menu that I mentioned, and you can go ahead and do the specific objective. So for me, I would have to fill out this bar and awaken. Now, the last option that you have is going to be to kill Namu. Namu is a boss that spawns randomly around the server, either a public or private server, and if you are on a private server, it is going to take 30 minutes to spawn. So you host a private server and you wait 30 minutes. To my knowledge, you will not be able to gain any sort of mastery XP on private servers, but I cannot confirm this, so I would highly recommend that if you want to be certain that you will get mastery for Green Hero, you do all of these steps on a public server. I hope I was able to help you on how to master Green Hero in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.